Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I forgot what I was going to say. You know, not last video, but you know, Goose Fair. It's where it is again, but it's Bonfire night. And it's today, and there's another fucking like fair, kind of. It's like a little fair with the bonfire behind the rides over there. There's extreme, I don't know if it's called extreme, but then something that looks like fucking Air Max, another thing that looks like Air Max. I'll be back when we're down near the rides, so yeah. It is Air Max, I think. They're like trying it now, but it ain't got no seats on it though. They're just seeing if it's like working and it won't fall apart. Got no on it. So anyway, be back when we're near there. Ew, very sludgy. Yeah, I think it's Air Max. Very nice. Oh no. Waiting for good old Jakey Boy Fisher to wake up me. Still snoozing because he's a lazy fuck. That is so nice. I can see that moving. I like going on that, how wolves do. I don't even know what this is called, it's like high roller or something, I think. This was like the first ride that was Zeo, then it was that one. I don't know what else. Extreme. King Gang Gang. That was at Goose Fair. 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 Like everything that's here is at Goose Fair. Was at Goose Fair, should I say. Atmosphere, that's what it is. What's this? Extreme. Not even touching the fucking floor, so I can get on it. This. Not even up. This is just going to be a little video just showing you, because it ain't as big as Goose Fair. Goose Fair was massive. This here's only got like 20 rides. So yeah, that is it really. So like, subscribe, and yeah.